Okay, so to the lesson of the day, today we'll be discussing the verb ibia, to come. Ibia. Ibia. Ibia means to come. Okay, we'll be doing the present tense, the future, and the past. Okay, there is a pattern with Igbo verbs. When you want to say it in the present tense, if you put na a in front of the verb, it makes it present. Na bia, na. Okay, it works for most verbs. If you put na in front, it makes it present. Na bia, I am coming. Okay, and to change it to the future, you just put ga. To the future, you just put ga in front. Ga. If you put ga in front, that is I will come. Ga abia. Okay, ga changes most verbs to the future. Ga abia. Okay, means will come. Okay, and to change it to the past, this time we'll be putting the letters behind the verb at the back of the verb, and it will be for this verb that is ibia, we will put ra a. Biara, biara, o biara. Okay, biara, I came. So bia and ra, the ra makes it past. So for most verbs, if you put r at the end with the vowel, whichever vowel that is the last on that verb, it would normally change it to the past tense. Okay, so moving on to the examples, and bear in mind you'll be having a quiz, so listen attentively. So present tense. Na-abịa taa. Na-abịa taa. I am coming today. Ọ na-abịa taa. He or she is coming today. Ị na-abịa taa. You are coming today. Ha na-abịa taa. They are coming today. Are coming today. Anyị na-abịa taa. Taa. We are coming today. Unu na-abịa taa. Unu na-abịa taa. You, in the plural, all of you are coming today. Right, it's time for you to do your bit. So I'll write this in Igbo, you translate it to English. Ha na-abịa taa. Well done if you said they are coming today. Na-abịa taa. Na-abịa taa. Daalụ. Okay, you've done well. Ịgbanigo. Daalụ. Jisike na-asụ Igbo. Jisike na-asụ Igbo. Okay, keep on speaking Igbo. Keep it up. And if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe and hit the bell button to be notified when new videos come out. Okay, and please share it to your friends that would like to learn Igbo as well. Bye bye. Kodi. Kodi.